Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 1 of Standard 10, Chapter number 2, Quadratic Equations. In Standard 9, we studied its basic concepts in polynomial. So let's revise. Complete the following activity. Classify the following polynomials as linear and quadratic. 5x plus 9. As degree of variable is 1, it is linear polynomial. Second, x square plus 3x minus 5. Now here the degree of polynomial is 2, hence it is quadratic polynomial. Third, 3x minus 7. Now degree of variable is 1, so it is linear polynomial. Similarly, 3x square minus 5x and in 5x square the degree of both the polynomials is 2, hence they are quadratic polynomials. Hence from this we will see the definition of quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. A is not equal to 0. Now complete the following activity. Complete the following table. First is solve for y'all. Quadratic equation is given. We have to write its general form and value of a, b and c. So we will take y square equal to 2y minus 7. So general form will be y square minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Value of a is 1, b is minus 2 and c is 7. Similarly, in x square plus 2x equal to 0, general form will be x square plus 2x plus 0 equal to 0. Hence value of a will be 1, b will be 2 and c is 0. Now we will move on to the next term, roots of a quadratic equation. The values of variable which satisfy the equation for the value for which both the sides of equation are equal are called solutions or roots of the equation. Now we will move on to practice set 2.1. Question number 1. Write any two quadratic equations. We can take any quadratic equation. Here we took m square minus 14m plus 13 equal to 0 and 3x square minus x minus 10 equal to 0. Question number 2. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. First, x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. As degree or index of variable is 2, hence it is quadratic equation. Second, y square equal to 5y minus 10. Again, index of variable is 2, hence it is quadratic equation. And third, y square plus 1y equal to 2. Now we will solve the equation. Multiply equation by y. So it will be y cube plus 1 equal to 2y. So the index of the variable is 3. Hence it is not quadratic equation. Now 4. X plus 1 upon x equal to minus 2. Again here we will solve the equation. Multiply equation by x. So we will get x square plus 1 equal to minus 2x. Here index of variable is 2. Hence it is quadratic equation. Fifth, m plus 2 in bracket multiply m minus 5 equal to 0. After solving the equation, we will get m square plus 2m minus 5m minus 10. So it will be m square minus 3m minus 10 equal to 0. Here the index or degree of variable is 2, hence it is quadratic equation. Sixth, m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 3m cube. Here if we will observe, the degree of variable is 3, but if we will solve, shift m cube towards the right hand side, it will become 3m square minus 2 equal to 3m cube minus m cube. So it will be 3m square minus 2 equal to 2m cube. So degree of the variable will be 3, so it is not quadratic equation. Question number 3. Write the following equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then write the value of a, b, c for each equation. Question number 1. 2y equal to 10 minus y square. Now shift minus y square and 10 towards the left hand side. It will become y square plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. If we will compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a will be 1, b will be 2 and c equal to minus 10. Question number 2. X minus 1 bracket square equal to 2x plus 3. If we will solve the equation, we will get x square minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. Compare the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 2. Similarly, in question number 3, x square plus 5x equal to minus in bracket 3 minus x. So after solving, we will get x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. After comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, value of a equal to 1, b equal to 4 and c equal to 3. Question number 4. 3m square equal to 2m square minus 9. In this equation, there is no term of m. So after solving, we will get m square plus 0m plus 9. So value of a will be 1, b will be 0 and c will be 9. In question number 5, p in bracket 3 plus 6p equal to minus 5. So after solving, we will get 6p square plus 3p plus 5 equal to 0. Hence, a equal to 6, b equal to 3 and c equal to 5. Now question number 6. X square minus 9 equal to 13. So there is no term of x. Now after solving, we will get x square plus 0x minus 22 equal to 0. So value of a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 22. Now question number 4. Determine whether the values given each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. First, x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to 1 and minus 1. First we will put x equal to 1. So we will get 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. After solving, we will get LHS equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Hence, x is the root of the given quadratic equation. Now second, x equal to minus 1. So after putting values, we will get minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 plus 5. So after solving, we will get LHS equal to minus 8, which is not equal to RHS. Hence, minus 1 is not root of the equation. Now in question number 2, value of m is 2. So after putting values, we will get 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2. After solving, we will get LHS equal to minus 2, which is not equal to RHS. Hence, m equal to 2 is not the root of the given quadratic equation. Now second value of m is 5 upon 2. So after putting values, we will get 2 into bracket 5 upon 2 bracket square minus 5 into 5 by 2. So we will get 2 into 25 upon 4 minus 25 upon 2. After simplification, we will get 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Hence, m equal to 5 by 2 is root of given equation. Question number 5. Find k if x equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Now as 3 is root of the given equation, we will put x equal to 3 in the equation. So we will get k into bracket 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 equal to 0. After simplification we will get 9k minus 30 plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore 9k minus 27 equal to 0. Now shift 27 towards the right hand side. So we will get 9k equal to 27 and k equal to 3. Question number 6. One of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity. Now we will solve the activity. As it is given, minus 7 upon 5 is a root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0. Hence put m equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. Multiply 5 multiply by minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Now 5 into minus 7 upon 5 bracket square will be 5 into 49 upon 25. So it will be 49 upon 5 plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 will be minus 14 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Now as denominator is same, we can simplify the equation. 49 plus in bracket minus 14 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Now 49 minus 14 will be 35. So equation will be 35 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. After simplification we will get 7 plus k equal to 0. Shift 7 towards the right hand side. So k will be minus 7.